Welcome to BA Careers. In this video, let us discuss about Agile methodology for business analysts. Topics covered: Introduction, Role of business analysts in Agile, Skills required for Agile business analysts, Agile frameworks and business analyst role, Challenges and solutions. Conclusion. 1. Introduction. Welcome to this presentation on Agile methodology for business analysts. In today's fast-paced business world, Agile has become a crucial framework for managing projects and delivering value. In this video, we will explore the role of business analysts in Agile, the skills required, and the challenges they may face. 2. Role of business analysts in Agile. In traditional project management, BA often act as intermediaries between stakeholders and the technical team. However, in Agile, their role evolves. They work closely with product owners and development teams to ensure that user stories are well-defined and prioritized. The BA's role in Agile is more dynamic, involving continuous collaboration and feedback. 3. Skills required for Agile business analysts. To thrive in an Agile environment, business analysts need a unique set of skills. Soft skills like communication, adaptability, and problem-solving are essential. On the technical side, familiarity with Agile tools, understanding of user stories, and experience with backlog management are crucial. Unlike traditional BUS, Agile BUS need to be comfortable with rapid changes and iterative development. 4. Agile frameworks and business analyst role. There are several Agile frameworks, such as Scrum and Kanban, each with distinct practices and roles. In Scrum, for example, the business analyst often works as a part of the Scrum team, collaborating closely with the product owner to refine the product backlog. In Kanban, BUS focus on optimizing the flow of work and ensuring that tasks are well-defined and prioritized. Regardless of the framework, the core responsibility remains the same. 5. Challenges and solutions. Business analysts in Agile may face challenges such as ambiguous requirements, rapidly changing priorities, and managing stakeholder expectations. To overcome these, BUS need to maintain clear and open communication, be flexible in their approach, and continuously seek feedback. Building strong relationships with the team and stakeholders is key to navigating these challenges successfully. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agile methodology offers a dynamic and flexible approach to project management, where business analysts play a pivotal role. As the bridge between stakeholders and the technical team, BUS must adapt to the Agile mindset, embracing change and continuous improvement. By honing their skills and staying adaptable, business analysts can thrive in Agile environments and contribute significantly to the success of their projects. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. For more information, link is available in the description.